So Jace, how many years have we been running these Hondas?
Well, mate, I'll tell you what, if I had to add it all up, I reckon we've been running Hondas now for at least 7 or 8 years.
I know they're like second nature to me. We go on a trip, we drag one of these out the truck and we bolt it on the tinny and away we go. I can't think of any other time we've done anything else and put one of these on.
That's exactly right, you're dead right. Remember that trip we did in the Kimberley?
The big long one we did?
Yeah, the one where
that?
we put 20 horsepower on the back of those little tinny. Walcott inlet.
Yep.
120 nautical miles return. We had 4 drums of fuel sitting in the boat. You had swags, food, everything.
I don't stress. The amount of times we've used them and never got stuck, I don't stress.
There you
Seriously.
go. That's why everyone reckons you got a smile on your dial. Nice fish, mate.
Oh, look what's in his mouth. I'm stealing his breakfast. He's been smoking them. You have a fat time this morning, haven't you? You just lost your dinner. I'll let you go though, you're just a gorgeous fish.
The 20 horsepower Honda is, they reckon it's the biggest displacement in their class, right? So it's the biggest cubic inches for a 20 horsepower.
Yep.
And maybe that's why we got so much torque and it pushes those tinnies with a lot of weight. And it's not only just the outboards, you know, we're going everywhere from generators to, you know, look, I've still got the original Honda generator.
Exactly.
We had 8 years ago. The thing still starts. It still powers up our campsite. There's no doubt about that one. Everything we use has been Honda and it's worked.
Everyone knows Honda is reliable stuff.
It is.